Hi everyone! Today I am going to show how I made this knife handle. I have a blade from Boiler N690 steel, piece of micarta and mosaic pins. All of this I have bought from my friend. You can find link in description. I cut this piece of micarta. It looks very thick. I am going to cut this piece in two thin plates. I am not lazy, but greedy. I smooth plates by grinder. It's done. I clamp blade and plate. Now drill the holes for pins by 6 mm drill bit. I use metal handle as a template. Do the same with the second plate. Remove blackness by grinder. Here you are. Now I do the end of the handle, which will be closer to the blade. I'm cutting pins. Make a bevel at one side of each pin. I make grooves on handle by Dremel. This way epoxy will hold firmly. Mix epoxy. Degrease with acetone. Apply epoxy to both sides and pins. Assemble carefully. I forgot to cover the blade, so now I will quickly remove epoxy with acetone. The next day epoxy polymerized. I roughly cut the handle by grinder. And we can see the handles is almost ready. I use files from Bastard to fine. Then use a sandpaper from low grit to high. I finished by 1000 grit sandpaper. Polish with felt. Now we need to wash the knife. Sharpening. Finally, I use a leather belt. Let's try to cut something. Tomatoes would be good. Leather, paper. It's a typical kitchen knife from Boiler N690 steel. overall weight 12 inches. The blade weight is 7 inches. I have already gave it as a gift for my friend. Bye, see you soon.